topic, les salutations, which means greetings. Greetings. In the morning, the French people greet bonjour, which means good morning, and it can also mean hello in some occasion if you are meeting a person for the first time. Bonjour. In the evening, the French people greet bonsoir. Bonsoir, which means good evening. In the night when you're about going to bed, you say bonne nuit, which means good night. And if you are meeting someone and you want to ask them how do you do or how are you doing, you say comment ça va, and person will answer je vais bien, merci. Then if you want to greet someone that's older than you say comment allez-vous. You use it for older people or someone you are just meeting for the first time. Or if there are many, say comment allez-vous. Comment allez-vous. Person, if the person is an adult or someone that you are just meeting for the first time, the person reply je vais bien, merci. But if there are many, you say nous allons bien, merci. Nous allons bien, merci. Then if the person is someone that you are familiar with, you use tu for the person. Comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? The person replies je vais bien, merci. Then if the person is about to go and you want to say goodbye, you say au revoir. Au revoir. And the person also replies au revoir. Au revoir. My colleagues will be taking you on how to present yourself in French. Thank you.
Good morning. Bonjour. Good morning. I am a personal teacher. So today we'll be taking se présenter. So présenter, which means presenting oneself. So today we'll be learning how to introduce ourselves in French language. How to introduce ourselves in French language, telling our name, our age, where we live, our nationality, our religion, things we like and dislike. So we learn to say that in French today. Teaching you how to say that in French today. Okay. Number one, to say your name. Let's start with name. To say your name in French language, you use the verb appeler. Appeler. The verb appeler means to be called. The verb appeler means to be called. So we're conjugating the verb appeler in our first person singular. Our first person singular in the present form. In the present form, first person singular. Then we will be having je m'appelle. Okay? Let's say I want to say my name. Let's take an example. My name is Emmanuel. I'll say je m'appelle Emmanuel. My name is Sarah. Je m'appelle Sarah. My name is Dorcas. Je m'appelle Dorcas. Okay, we'll be taking how to say our age in French. In saying your age in French, the verb avoir is used. The verb avoir means to have. So in French, your age is something you possess. It's something you have. It's something you possess. So we say, and we'll be conjugating avoir in the first person singular. In the present tense, first person singular. So we have j'ai. Let's take an example. I am 20 years old and I want to tell someone that I am 20 years old. I will say j'ai 20 ans. The there means the years. It means years. It means yes. J'ai 20 ans. I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. Then we move to how to say where we live. In saying where you live, the verb habiter is used. Habiter. And habiter means the verb to live. To live. To live. Okay? Let's take an example. I live in Lagos. I live in Lagos. I will say j'habite à Lagos. J'habite à Lagos. J'habite à Lagos. Let me now take it even deeper. I live in a street in Lagos, and the street name is Olumokun. I stay in 6 Olumokun Street at Jegunle, Lagos. I will say j'habite au numéro 6, that is number 6. J'habite à numéro 6 rue Olumokun à Jegunle, Lagos. J'habite numéro 6 Olumokun, 6 rue Olumokun à Jegunle, Lagos. Then let's take our nationality. To say your nationality in French, you use the verb être, that is to be. The verb être, that is to be. Okay? Let's take an example. I am in Nigeria. I am in Nigeria. I will say je suis Nigeria. Je suis Nigeria. But imagine I'm a female. I will say je suis Nigerian. Je suis Nigerian. I am a Nigerian. So you see, we have how to say you're Nigerian in male and also have in female. If I'm a Togo, if I'm a citizen of Togo, I will say je suis Togolais. Je suis Togolais for the male. But for the female, if I'm a female, I will say je suis Togolaise. Je suis Togolaise. Je suis Togolaise. That's if I'm a female. Then we move to how to say our religion. Our religion in French. Okay, to say your religion in French, you also use the verb être, which I said earlier, the verb to be, which we are going to be conjugating in the first person singular in our present tense. The present tense, first person singular. So we say je suis, and then your religion. Je suis chrétien. Je suis chrétien. Je suis chrétien. Because I'm a male, I'll say je suis chrétien. But assuming I'm a female, I'll say je suis chrétienne. Je suis chrétienne. Okay? Then for the other religion, Muslims, I'm a male and I want to say I am a Muslim. I will say je suis musulman. Je suis musulman. But for the female, we say je suis musulman. Je suis musulman. Je suis musulman. Okay, let's take our life. To say your like in French, we use the verb what? Aimer. 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 That is the verb to love or to like. Let's say I love football. I love the sport football. I will say j'aime le sport football. J'aime le sport football. J'aime le sport football. Let's say I now dislike football. Then we are going to be using the negative part. They call it negation. That is negation in English language. So we'll be having our verb in between your no and your pas. So it will be je n'aime pas le sport football. Je n'aime pas le sport football. Yes, I think with all this we are able to build. Now we are able to introduce ourselves in French language. That will be all for today. Thank you.